Papa, we need banana, so be careful. You see, hello guys. You see, today is 9th of October. I am at the back of a big lorry, removable lorry or whatever. Tanoso. I am at Tanoso. You can see the Tanoso. Okay, we are in your zone. Look at that. At the back of the lorry, me and the boys. You see our stuff? We pack, and that's my little legs. There. Oh, there's traffic in here. I put them. We are called. We had the traffic in here. Turn also. You see? Hey. Oh, uncle. Dem, uncle. That's a quantum. Serhi Man Rural Bank Limited, Tanoso, and the Wohono, St. Luke's Anglican Preparatory School. Cat cake. You see the little girl there selling cat cake. That is a peanut butter cake. Peanut butter cake. That's why you call it cat cake. Peanut butter. Or the peanut cake or peanut butter. Yeah, it's peanut butter because they mix it up. They grind it and add sugar to it. My boy, some of the switch don't know here. Yeah. And then that's a funky car. It's Nissan. You see, that's a hustler selling. See the women. See, most of the women are hustling and bustling. You see. You see the routes and cones eye services, and there's a pop wholesale retail. You see, we are in Kumasi, Tanoso. We are on the move to Sokwai, and that's the traffic behind us. See the lorry we are in? I'm sitting in it at the back here. That's you see my best food, Kube. Coconut is there. You see, everybody's hustling, bustling. Busy road, Tanoso. You can see it. Conti restaurant. Conti's restaurant. Conti's restaurant. And then we are at the market place, Tanoso Market place. You can see plenty of plantain. This is the marketplace, everyone. You can see. There we are. Now let me turn. There's a new road that's being done, so we are going to join the traffic. This is Kanoso Sunyani Road traffic. Uchalotu. Na uchalotu. Mese uchalotu. Uchalotu da. Na edenti da uchalotu ba. Na mi eska da ya de. Na uko ye wudi. Uko ye wudi. Mese uko ye wudi. Aha. Onye ni uchalotu. We are in Kumasi, Kanoso, and we are in the big lorry, the boot of the big lorry, moving, shoveling. You see? What's in the dinner? Yes, and to our guys. It's good. Anyway.